Sometimes, our actions can have unintended consequences. In a world where a dead bird lies inside its nest, we witness the aftermath of a tragic event. The baby birds eagerly wait for their mother, unaware that she will never return. But this story is not just about birds. It's a reminder that our actions can ripple through the lives of others, causing pain and heartbreak. Hatred can destroy not only hearts but also homes. When we let anger consume us, we risk ruining the lives of those around us. Let's remember that our actions have consequences, and it's up to us to choose love and understanding over hatred and destruction. Every fight we engage in has wider implications. When we clash with someone, we inadvertently involve those who support them. Our battles extend beyond the individuals directly involved. Let's strive for peace and understanding, knowing that our actions affect not just ourselves but also those connected to us. In a world where actions have consequences, it's important to be mindful of the impact we have on others. When we act without considering the potential harm we may cause, we risk bringing trouble to those who are innocent. Let's choose empathy and compassion, ensuring that our actions bring joy and not sorrow.